Hi everyone, this is Miss Al, and today I'm going to show you a fun activity that you can do at home. Alright, so let me show you what you're going to need. You'll need some tin foil, or even just a flat plate will work. Some food coloring, toothpicks, shaving foam, a piece of paper, any color is fine, and a popsicle stick, although a knife would work as well. So on your flat surface or your tin foil, the tin foil is really there just to make it easy to clean up. So another piece of paper would work as well if you don't have that. You're gonna take your shaving foam and spread it flat as evenly as you can on your surface. That's good. Then you can flatten it out just a little bit. What you want to do next is take some of your food coloring and you're going to drop it onto the shaving foam. You can drop some drops anywhere you'd like. Also be careful. This does come off the skin, but it might take a day or two with some scrubbing. Just gonna drop it all over. So that was my blue color. Now I'm going to use red. Do you know what color blue and red makes when they're mixed together? Maybe we'll find out today. All right, now you're gonna take your toothpick and you're gonna take it just like this through your food coloring. And this kind of gives it that marble effect. But you can really do anything you'd like. Go again this way. Cool. I think I'm gonna go one more time like this. Awesome. And then I'm going to take my piece of paper and lie it flat against the food coloring and press down evenly. I want to make sure that the paper touches the shaving foam, and then I just peel off my paper, and wherever the food coloring was should go right onto the paper. Then take your popsicle stick or knife and you can scrape off the extra shaving foam like so. And it's already dry. It dries up pretty fast, so you can go right ahead and touch it up. And you can make a little design. You can also make little postcards from it. So I already drew something. And I'm gonna press it against my food coloring again. And I'll see if I can use it up again. Use up all those colors. All right, let's see what happened. And look, it did. It went right over my design. You know what? I missed a little bit over here. I'm gonna press it again. Let's see. Yep, it went there again. And there you have it. You can make some art with some shaving foam and food coloring. All right, everyone, thanks for listening. Hope to see you again.